Hung, Drawn and Quartered is a reimagining of the classic Card to Impossible location plot. A spectator signs a card. It's lost into the deck, and you bring out your keys with a card pierced directly through the keyring. When you rip this off and hand it to them, it's their signed card. This is an incredibly powerful effect. But what if it was taken a step further? The card on the keys changes color first before being ripped off. The card is first printed, ripped off, and then handed out. Or their card that they've been holding the whole time vanishes off the face of the card and swaps place with your prediction on your keys. This project covers all of this and even demonstrates a fantastic confabulation routine that you can do with your very own business cards. You receive both red and blue gimmicks included, so there's no need to choose a color, and you get 4 complete routines with ideas to use both the red and blue card elements together. You even receive a special gimmick that allows you to hand out your keys for examination after their card has been ripped off. I'm so proud to release my extended thoughts and routines using Hung, Drawn and Quartered Reimagined.